I'm rolling out 60 different strategies, and I'm borrowing those strategies from 60 different YouTube channels. And I'm doing it all in 60 days. This next strategy takes a rack of red chips and turns it into green chips. If that's your goal, stay tuned. Hey my friends, my name is Joe and this is my Craps Master journey. Let's make it yours too. This next strategy is strategy number 36 of 60, and it's brought to us by the YouTube channel called House Money. The title of the strategy was House Money's Favorite Strategy, $10 Table Collected Greens. He filmed this in 2019, November of 2019, and has over 2,500 views. He plays it on a $10 table, and he starts off with a $100 bankroll, which is what we have right here. And the whole goal behind the strategy is to take the reds here and turn them all into greens, so that way you have everything in the green chips in the rack right here. To start the strategy off, he does not do a pass line bet or a do not pass bet. So this can be used on the random roller. So let's do this one. So let's look for a point. Dice out, coming out, and we have a 4, 4, 8. That was a 4, it's flipped. So we have a square pair. So the point becomes 8. Now, what he does on the strategy here is he'll go 44 inside. So 44 inside, and it does not matter what the point is because we're not playing a pass or don't pass. 44 inside is going to be 2 units on each of these numbers on the inside. So that'll be $10 on the 5, and we'll go $12 because we need to put a $2 cap on that 6. $12 on the 8. And $10 on that 9. What we'll do is, if the 5 hits, we'll press that 5 here, would pay out $14. And what we'll do is we would take the $4, put it in our rack, and we would throw an extra quarter out there, nickel out there, and we would make that look like $25. So we would clean it up and we would make it look like $25. Okay. After that, if it hits again, you just collect the greens and you would use the reds to press everything up. And I'll show you that as we go through the strategy. The 6 and the 8 is slightly different for the strategy because you actually have to do it in 2 steps. Remember, this $12 here pays out $14. And what he'll do is he'll just increase this to $24 for the bet. And you put the $2 into the rack. If that $24 there gets paid, it'll actually pay out $28. And what will happen here now is that he'll take off, collect all that money, and he would make that look like $30. So that way, if it ever gets hit, it pays out $35. Gives you some area, some change to improve or to increase the other bets. And I'll show you how that works as we go also. So let's make this look like 12 because that's what we took out of our rack. Put the rest of this in the bank. And let's get the strategy started. Okay, so we had a come out point of 8. We have 22 inside on all of the bets here. That was taken from our $100 starting bankroll. And dice out. And we have a 6, 3, 9. So that 9 pays out $14 like I said. And what's going to happen here now is we're going to take a nickel out of our rack and we're going to press it up to make it look like $25. The rest of this goes into our rack. So let's make that look like 25, because that's 5 chips right there. And we'll put this in the bank, and we'll go dice out. Okay, we have a 3, 2, 5. Same thing goes for the 5 over here. We get paid out $14 on that. We'll take a nickel out of our rack, make that look like a quarter. And rack the 4 singles. Okay, dice out. And we have a 426. Okay, that 6 there is going to pay out $14. And we're going to take 12 of that, go up on the 6, and make it look like 24. We'll take $2 and rack that. And we have got a 6, 5, 11. That does nothing for the strategy. And we have a 3, 3, 6. So that's the second time that we hit the 6. So that's going to pay out $28. And let's go $30 for 2. So we can get rid of some of these singles that are in our rack. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that off, we're gonna replace it with this, and we're just gonna put this right in our rack because that is all profits. Okay, dice out. And we have a 5, 3, 8. So we have hit all the inside numbers. We're rolling really good with the inside numbers. So that's $14 win. Puck comes off, so we need to find a new point. Take $12 and we'll go up and make this look like $24. Take 2, put it in the rack. Okay. Coming out, looking for a point. And we have a 4, 2, 6. So our new point is going to be 6. All of our bets are back on again. And dice out. And we have a 6, 2, 8. And that there is going to pay out $28. We'll go again. $30 for 2. And what that $30 for 2 means is I'm taking $30. The banker pays me $30. And I'm paying them $2. It should have paid out $28. But I'm giving them 2 to make it look like 30. We'll take that, put it in our rack. So now we are pressed up all the way on all 4 of the numbers. So hopefully we can start making some hits here and collecting the greens, which is what the strategy is all about. We have a 3, 1, 4, and that does nothing for our strategy. And we have a 6, 5, 11, does nothing. And we have a snake eyes, 1, 1, 2, does nothing. Horns are coming out now. And we've got a 5, 3, 6, perfect. I'm sorry, 5, 3, 8, and that is perfect. That will pay out $35 on our strategy. So collect a green, that is the name of the strategy. We're trying to collect that green. And the $10 that is left over now, we can do whatever we want to do with that. We can start pressing up the 4 and the 10 if we want. We could throw that $10 in the field and try to do something like Vince Armenti does. And he parlays that field so he can start making money that way, and then he can up these bets. We could put it on the hard ways if we want. We could do whatever we want with it. So let's this time just put it on the field because I like playing the field sometimes. And we have a 6, 1, 7, so that does nothing. We do lose, a puck comes off, that is 7 out. 7 ouch, as Brian says at Hawaii Crap Shooters. And we lose all the money that's up here though. Okay, again, we'll go with 22 inside, 2 units on each. There is no pass line or don't pass line bet. The bets out here are off, trying to come out rolls. They're not working. And let's go dice out, looking for a point coming out. And we have a 5, 2, 7. Too bad we didn't have a pass line because that would have paid out on there, but we don't have it. And we have a 4, 4, 8. Square pair again, second time today. Point becomes an 8. All of our bets are now turned on. And dice out. And we have a 6, 1, 7. So that was a 0.7 out. That is not a good thing for the strategy. So we would lose all the bets that are up here again. And that is one of the downfalls of the strategy, is that we don't have any 7 protection on it. So let's get some reds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $20 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. So now we are all set up. And our bets on the table are off. Looking for a point coming out. And we have a 5 through 7 again. And we have a 2 on 3. Shaka. And we have got a 5, 1, 6. So our point is going to be 6. And all of our bets out here are turned back on again. Dice out. And we have a 5, 4, 9. That does $14 on there. And we're going to collect the 4. And we're going to take a nickel and put that out there. We'll make that look like a quarter. And hopefully we hit the 9 again here. And we got a, wow, 639. That's perfect. Okay, that pays out $35. And what's going to happen here is, let's go collect the green, obviously. And let's go with $10 in that field. And we've got a 5, 1, 6. Okay, so what happens is that is our point. We lose the field, but we get paid out $14 on that 6. And again, we're going to take a nickel out of our rack. We'll rack. Nope, I'm sorry, that nickel does not come out. We pay this $12. We go up to 24. Take the 2 and put it in our rack. There we go. So all of our bets are off again on the table. And we'll go dice out, looking for a point. Coming out. 6, 5, 11, yo, 11. And we've got a 6, 6, 12 boxcars. And here we are with a 4, 2, 6 again. So our new point is 6. Back on that 6. All of our bets are back on. And we've got a 4, 3, 7. So not too good of a roll out on this one. You need a couple rolls in order for this strategy to work. We should have enough for one more shooter, so let's give that a quick try again here. And all it takes is one good shooter to work it out. So we got $50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $50. And we'll go 2 units on each. And let's see if we can get some money back here and make these all greens in this rack here. So bets are off on the table. Looking for a point coming out. And we have a 1, 1, 2 snake eyes. Still looking for that point. 4, 3, 7. 7, ouch, they say. Frontline winner that was. 6, 3, 9. Okay, so our point will be 9. All of our chips out here will be on and dice out. And we have a 5, 3, 9, a 5, 4, 9. So that is our point. We're going to get paid out $14 on there. Okay, we're going to drop a nickel, collect the singles, make this look like a quarter. And all of our chips are off. Looking for a point. And we've got a 6, 2, 8. So our new point is going to be 8. All of our bets go back on again and dice out. And we have a 5, 1, 6. Perfect. Okay, that 6 has 2 units on it. It's going to pay out $14. We're going to take 12. We're going to go up on that 6, make it look like 24. These $2 we're going to put right in our rack. Okay, dice out. And we got a 2, 1, 3 shaka. And we've got a 4, 2, 6. Perfect. Okay, so that 6 here is going to pay out $28. We'll go $30 for 2. And we're going to make that look like 30 and put the rest into our rack. Okay, dice out. And 1, 1, 2 snake eyes. And we got a 3, 2, 5. That 5 is going to pay out $14. And we're going to drop a nickel in, collect the singles, put it in our rack, make this look like a quarter, and we're all set for the next roll. Okay, dice out. And we have a 4, 2, 6. Okay, that 6 again pays out $14. And we're going to take $12. Oops, I'm sorry. No. Yeah, it pays out 14, and that was a mistake because we had $30 on there. So that 6 is actually going to pay out $35, and that's perfect here because finally we get it to collect a green. We'll take the $10 and let's take let's drop $2 more in here, and we'll bring the 8 right up to $24. So that way we're one step closer to getting to that 30 point. Okay, and we got a not enough. 617, ouch. Okay, all the chips came off the table, and we've got enough to do one more shooter again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And it looks like we made a couple dollars off of that last one, but try to get at least back up to 100 again. We'll see how it goes. And puck is off. Dice out, coming out, looking for a point. 5, 4, 9. So our point is 9. All of our bets go back on a table, and we got a 6, 3, 9. So we're right back to that 9. Puck comes off. We get paid out $14. And we're going to drop a nickel, collect these pennies, make this look like 25. And all of our bets on the table are off. We're looking for a point coming out again. New point is going to be 6, 4, 10. Okay, dice out. All of our bets are back on. And we got a 6, 3, 9 again. Perfect. That's going to pay out $35. Take this. We're going to rock that green. Take the 10. We'll go on the field for that for now. Okay, and dice out. We have a 4, 3, 1, 4. Perfect. It's going to pay out $10 in that field. So what we'll do is we'll take 15 of that, drop it on the 5. That'll allow us to collect a nickel. Actually, yeah, because we're on a $10 table, so we can't just do a nickel bet. So we're going to make that look like 25, and we have gone up on the 5 now. So that's perfect. Dice out. And we have a 5, 1, 6. So that 6 there has 2 units on it. It's going to pay out $14. And let's, yep, that's fine, $14. So we're going to take 12 of that, go up on the 6, rack $2. Dice out. And we got 5, 2, 7. So puck comes off, all these chips lose, and this hopefully gives you an idea of how it works. Again, we need a little bit longer of a roll in order to make it successful. We went through, what, 4 or 5 shooters now, and we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $50, $53. So we lost roughly $47. But hey, we went through quite a few shooters. We got a little bit of up and down action. All it takes is one medium to a little bit longer roll to actually make some big money. Hope you like the strategy, guys. I will leave a link to the original strategy in the description of my video. If you like my video strategies my crap strategies that I'm rolling out, make sure you click on that link on that side of the table there. Hey my friends, my name is Joe and this is my Craps Master Journey. Let's make it yours too.